之前创办过，失败过，很迷茫，很无助，也不知道走到哪里。重新开始，没有资金，什么都没有的，就是其实说白了是一个人注册了一个公司，然后重新开始，做到现在。一个信念嘛。当如果说一个人的话是所做的事情都是为自己的时候，其实他就很难有这个意志力。那你这种意志力是为别人的，为客户也好，为员工也好，为家人也好，你这种意志力就能让你自身的去挑战自己嘛。把思路理清之后，才开始了这个新的公司。
Shantou Jackson Intelligent Machinery Company, China's leading hardware products machinery manufacturer, is integrated with design, research and development, production and sales. We focus on the AZ production line design, machine manufacturing and technical support of hardware products, covers stainless steel bottle, cutlery, cookware, lunchbox, GN pan, glass lid, sieve, water sinks, etc. We are committed to providing customers with automatic and intelligent factory production solutions. Looking back on our journey, we have taken the automatic equipment for cookware and cutlery as the starting point since 2012, continuously making efforts and breakthroughs, becoming the first in developing pressing and drawing manipulators in the industry. In 2021, our first double-wall bottle line was delivered to India successfully, and the research and development of automatic laser blanking line began. In 2022, we deepened cooperation in India and continued to expand the market. Came to 2023, our company won the title of High-Tech Enterprise. Besides, we delivered the first fully automatic double-wall flash production line to Turkey. 2024, with the completion of our new plant and the approval of the Engineering Research Center, we are heading towards a new milestone. We deeply understand that high-quality service is the key to win the trust from customer. Therefore, we have a team of mechanical engineers with over 20 years of mechanical manufacturing and engineering experience. They can provide machine solutions, design factory layouts, and assist customers in building efficient and cost-effective intelligent factories according to their requirements and situation. In Delhi, India, we have an office and factory with a team of after-sales engineers standing by to provide customers with free training and installation services. We promise that all our machines have lifetime after-sales service. 4 non-human damage parts can be replaced free of charge during the warranty period. After the warranty period expires, we can also provide the technical support and production recommendations to customers. Furthermore, our cooperative factories can send engineers to our factory in Shantou, China for further study. Our company has helped build up more than 50 factories, including many well-known brands and listed companies in the hardware industry. We have exported our production lines to multiple countries covering Asia, America, Europe, and Africa. The customers highly recognize the quality of machines and after-sales service provided by our company and expect to maintain a long-term friendly cooperative relationship with us. Our company adheres to the mission of helping partners to build world-leading intelligent factories with the industry's leading application technology. Taking the values of reality, altruism, openness, innovation, responsibility, collaboration, we strive to become an enterprise that brings both material and spiritual happiness to all employees, become a leading company in the world's hardware industry, and become an enterprise that achieves mutual benefit and win-win prospects with partners. Looking ahead to the future, we plan to establish our service centers in main markets, explore more blank areas, develop digital and information-based intelligent factory supporting facilities to make our contribution to the industry. In Jackson Intelligence journey, we remain steadfast, building dreams with ingenuity and painting brilliant chapters together.